Hello everyone, welcome to LR From this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $2,000 per month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you don't know what is Pinterest, I'll tell you, and believe me, that is the most amazing social media platform I've ever seen in my entire life. I made over $100,000 only using this platform within a very short period, like a year, and I spent only 1 hour in front of my computer to do and to engage with this method, and it's very easy. Now I know the real value of this platform, and most of the time in an average day of mine I spend up to 5 hours doing my marketing stuff and promotions on Pinterest. My friends, take my words, if you know Pinterest, it means you are really rich. Unlike other social media platforms, Pinterest has a unique ability to drive traffic depending on our pin optimization levels. If you didn't understand what I said, don't worry, I'll show you everything in the next 10 to 15 minutes. And if I say something about the user base of Pinterest, Pinterest has 79% total users of women. From that 79, 90% are US citizens, US women. So in this case, you might understand why I intentionally emphasize the value of this amazing platform. From the beginning of this channel, I was waiting impatiently to show you the way to improve your online financial earning skills with this amazing platform, because I have seen so many people trying to teach exactly some sort of ways where exactly you can put in place your stuffs and your products and all these things, but I've noticed most of those videos are not working properly. Those strategies are not validate according to the Pinterest algorithm. That's why I was trying to show you how to do these things with these amazing platforms. All right guys, I'm not going to talk about it further anymore. Let's begin today's tutorial and see how to earn money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Before everything, I would like to request from you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and you can get my future uploads notification. Okay, let's go to the step 1. First, you need to create a Pinterest account. To create a Pinterest account, go to www.pinterest.com and you can sign up with your Gmail. Once you sign up, don't forget to upload a nice profile photo. When you create your personal Pinterest account, you need to convert that personal Pinterest account into a business account like this. Before we go to the second step, let me explain a little bit about how Pinterest works. For simple understanding, just imagine your school notice board, and you might seen thousands of notices attached to that notice board with the help of a pin. Same thing in here. If let's say the Pinterest platform is your school and there are so many notice boards everywhere in your school, and you can create and you can publish your ideas and notices and anything you want on those boards with the help of small pins. So now you might understand something about Pinterest. After that, let's go to the step number 2. Now you need to find some products to promote on your Pinterest account. For that, I'm using Amazon Associate as my affiliate partner. The key reason why I choose Amazon for this, if you remember what I said about the Pinterest audience at the beginning of this video, it has a huge female user base in United States. So I thought the best way to promote products to them is Amazon. If you don't have an Amazon Associate account, you can create now, but you must have a website or any other social media profile which has a quite bit large number of followers. Therefore, I think the best way to get registered on Amazon Associate having a small website or a blog site. In my next video, I will show you about how to create a easy small website within 15 minutes which can apply to get the approval from Amazon Associate program. After that, let's go to the step number 3. This is the most important step of this video, and I need you to have your full attention to this, and if you miss something, please reverse back and watch it again. And I have to mention, in the case of selecting an affiliate partner, you don't need to choose the same thing as me, because there are so many affiliate partners available right now in this world to choose. Check my last video about Digisto 24 affiliate, and even you can choose that one for this. All right. Now, once you create your Amazon Associate account, you must turn on the side stripe option. Most of the time it will be turned on automatically. If not, you can turn it on like this. After that, go to the main website amazon.com, and you can see the option here, the side stripe. Now I'm going to select a product, and for this video I'm going to select a mini sewing machine. So let's click on the product I'm going to promote, and now click here to get your shortened affiliate link of this mini sewing machine. Now you have the link with your hand, and let's go and paste it on our notepad. To promote our product, we need a title for the product and for our pin, and as well as a description. Here is my trick, is we are not going to write any type of description on our description space, but we are going to use that space to optimize our pin, and it will be visible to large number of people on the platform. For that, we need some premium keywords to paste on pin description. To find keywords, I'm going to use Pinterest Campaign Manager tool, and it's 100% free. So you don't need to waste your money for stupid expensive softwares. To get keywords, click ads, right click on create ad and open it in a new tab. Then come down and click continue. Now click any select button from here, click interest and keywords, and select add keyword section. Here I'm going to type the keyword sewing and click add all results. Now copy all these keywords and paste on my notepad. Now let's go to create our first pin. For that, I'm going to get few of these photos and save it to my computer. Now go to Canva, search Pinterest pin, and select 1000 by 1500 size. Now upload photos which we downloaded before to our computer, and start to design your pin on Canva. After that, download your design. Now go to Pinterest and click create pin, and put a title like this, and paste your keyword which we just copied from the campaign tool. And next, upload your photo. Finally, let's put our affiliate link into this. Go to this place and click this arrow and create a new board. I'm going to put the sewing, and the last step is hit publish. This is how you can create an optimized Pinterest pin for your affiliate business. You can publish, you can upload 5 pins with same link with different pin designs once your account get matured than 2 months. Till then, upload different type of affiliates and enjoy your sales. That's the whole story about Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you do have anything to ask from me, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to get and hit the bell icon to get the future notifications when I upload videos. So that's it. Goodbye, my friends.